Do you know many people are having trouble with draining water from their air conditioners? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug unit. Unplug the air conditioner from the power supply to ensure your safety. Step 2. Position over drain. Carefully position the unit so the drain outlet is over a container or drain. Step 3. Remove drain cover. Remove the cover of the lower drain outlet to start the draining process. Step 4. Drain water. Allow the water to fully drain into the container, ensuring the container can hold all the water. Step 5. Seal and reconnect. Replace the drain cover securely and plug the unit back into the power supply. With these steps, you should now be able to efficiently drain water from your unit. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Koenic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.